Fox5 health news now, and there is a new treatment for heartburn. A tiny bracelet-like device is helping sufferers remain pain-free.
And let's find out more. Joining us right now, Dr. Keri Peterson from Lenox Hill Hospital. Thanks for being here. This looks like pretty good news. I mean, a lot of people suffer from this reflux problem, and it can lead to a lot of complications, as you know. So this sounds good. Tell us about it.
It's a really clever device. Just to give a little background on what reflux is, it's when acid from the stomach regurgitates into the esophagus. And basically, over time, the acid can burn the esophagus, it can cause heartburn, and eventually can erode it enough to cause a wearing down and an erosion. So what this very clever device does is it is a band. It's made of little metal beads that have magnets in them. It looks literally like a bracelet. It is placed around the base of the esophagus.
Yeah, we can see it.
There it is. So it's placed around the base so that it squeezes the lower esophagus closed so that the acid cannot come up backwards. And yet, when you swallow, it expands and allows food to go down into the stomach. So it really helps prevent the acid go up. And in this study that was done with 100 people, it showed that patients had a significant reduction in symptoms, and many of them were able to get off their medications.
Okay, so
it's very encouraging.
But this is surgery we're talking about.
It is a procedure.
How invasive? Tell us about the surgery.
Sure. So it's laparoscopic. It's done with a small incision, and it takes about 30 minutes. So in the study, it actually had very few complications. The only complications were seen after the procedure, which was trouble swallowing. And over time, that did get better for the majority of patients, except for 6 people had to have the band removed out of 100.
No trouble breathing?
No trouble breathing, no. Just located in this, a little trouble swallowing, that's all.
Okay, well, let me ask you this, too, now. This is the Lynx bracelet, right?
That's right.
Why is it better, do you think, than using drugs, for example, to treat the problem?
Well, the issue with reflux is how it is treated is there's an acid blocker that's taken. It blocks the acid production, but it doesn't stop the reflux. So the food can still go upwards into the esophagus and still irritate it and cause symptoms. But this device actually prevents the reflux from happening altogether. It doesn't just block the acid.
Okay, so we want people to know that this Lynx bracelet is available in 24 states, including New York and New Jersey. And to find a doctor, you can go to our website, myfoxny.com, go on the Seen on TV link.